friends. Today I am going to tell you about Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep is a self-service analytics data prep tool. It is a very useful tool for citizen data scientist who is not an expert in SQL or ETL tools like Informatica or Pentaho. So first, let us start with introduction and fundamental points. Tableau Data Prep offers a lot of inbuilt features and is more intuitive than a lot of people give it credit for. This became clear to me after completing a course on it recently. I would like to share the gist of my findings here. Tableau is a self-service data preparation tool that citizen data scientists may use for mostly doing ad hoc data preparation. Tableau Data Prep is similar to tools like Informatica and Pentaho in terms of layout, but more accessible. I judge it to be well suited for citizen data scientists who do not have much experience with sophisticated ETL tools like Informatica, Pentaho, or even SQL. As you can see in this picture, this will show you pictorially and in very informative way as you design your ETL flow. It will show you a step by step how your ETL flow is going as you develop your ETL. So you can see on your screen itself how the output is getting prepared based on your previous step, and so that if any error occurs you can correct them then and there. Let us now discuss what are the supported input and transformations. This tool can take input from a variety of sources like all popular databases like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, etc. It also supports big data like Cloudera Hadoop, Hortonworks Hadoop, Hive, MapReduce, Hadoop Hive, etc. Data warehouses like Teradata, Snowflake, etc. are also supported. Other formats like CSV, Excel, etc. are also supported. All common data preparations like aggregate, pivot, join, union, etc. can be done effortlessly with the click of a mouse. You can easily see the type of join being performed and the data being produced as the output of the join, as you saw in the picture also. Now let us discuss more supported transformations and data profiling. A lot of features like field split based on delimiters, automatic field split, calculated fields, etc. are supported, giving the tool a broad spectrum of application. One feature I particularly appreciate is the pictorial data profiling tool as shown in the next slide. Here you can see, my friends, like what kind of data you are producing based on your ETL. So it gives you the data profile. Like you can see how many countries are there in the data, what is their global rank and the data distribution, etc. And the type of join being performed, whether it is inner join, outer join, full outer join, you can see very easily in what are the joining column, that also it shows. Now let us discuss about supported output and the final remarks. With Tableau Prep 2020.3, apart from CSV, Tableau Data Extract, Hyper and Tableau Data Extract, TD, and 7 other mainstream databases are supported. This makes tool much more useful. The databases supported are Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Snowflake, Teradata, and Amazon Redshift. The main focus appears to be an easy-to-use self-service data prep tool for the citizen data scientist who does not have sophisticated knowledge. So he can do data analysis using Tableau Desktop once the data prep is done. All considered, I liked the intuitiveness and accessibility of the tool and enjoyed learning about it. So friends, if whenever you get a time, give a try of this tool and you will really like it. Thanks and have a great day.